Before I get into details of how does the stock market exactly work, let me quickly show you a video which will give you a glimpse of how the markets worked in the 1990s, which is not very far, it's about 25-28 years back, but it will give you a glimpse of how the markets were and today how the markets are and how much they have evolved over a period of time. Let's understand the process that goes into buying an equity share. Go right now and click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money. With the technological changes that have happened along with the regulatory framework, the entire process of buying and selling a stock has got streamlined, which is a complete different flow compared to the mess that you see in the video that we just saw when people used to buy and sell shares in the 1990s. The stock exchanges today have appointed brokers who act as intermediaries to take orders from the various buyers and sellers and in turn place them on the stock exchange, which is the centralized place where the exchange of shares and exchange of money happens. So when you as a buyer want to buy a particular share, you would open an account with a broker, which is a trading account, and the trading account basically gives you access to the terminal on which you can go and place an order for these shares. So you transfer money from your bank account to your trading account, and from your trading account you place an order for certain number of shares. Once the order is confirmed by the stock exchange, then the money flows from your trading account to the stock exchange. From the stock exchange, it flows to the seller's broker, and from the seller's broker to the seller's bank account. The seller in turn transfers the shares which he has sold to you as a buyer, and those shares move from his Demat account to the broker's Demat account, and from there to the stock exchange, who in turn passes on those shares to the buyer's broker's Demat account, and who finally gives the shares in your individual Demat account. So you can see, just like what we are very familiar with, wherein the banks play a very important role in movement of money from one person to another, in the same way there is a very important role played by the depository participant to ensure movement of shares in the way money moves. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. So what are you waiting for? Go right now on the link provided in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money. This course is an online course which will teach you all the basics about your personal finances and answer the questions of where you must invest, how you must invest, and more importantly, why you must invest in a particular investment product. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for freshly brewed content from Wealth Cafe. And don't forget to save hard and invest smart.